So can you make Cash App your bank account? And the answer quickly is yes, you can, but I want to kind of show you step by step right over here what it kind of takes for you to make Cash App your bank account. Now, if you don't already have Cash App, I'll have a link for you in the show notes down below. Help support out the channel, but you get more free content just like this. And I'll have some tutorials here at the end for you, so you can go ahead and jump to those right after this. So we're going to be on the main screen of Cash App right over here. And what we're going to want to do is kind of get an idea of what this is like. This is just the ability right here to send or receive money from other people. But if we go ahead and click on the dollar amount on the left-hand side of the screen here, sometimes it looks like a bank if you don't actually have any money in the account right now. So we're going to jump over here. And from here, you're going to see a couple things. One, at the top here, you're going to see your cash balance if you have anything. And then right underneath, you're going to see a routing number and you're going to see an account number. So that right there is going to give you the ability to have this as a bank account, because you can use this when it comes to filling out forms such as direct deposits. And if you wanted to, you can see right over here where it says direct deposit towards that bottom section over here. So if you click on here, this will go through the process and help you go ahead and sign up for direct deposit. So you can actually have your money getting into your account, and in some cases actually get into your account even faster. Now, as far as how you utilize the money that comes in from a direct deposit, let's go ahead and kind of break this down. There's two different things you can do. You could either cash out into a different account. So if you have a different bank maybe that you don't want direct deposits to go into, you can just cash out from right there. Or you can get a debit card with Cash App, and that's entirely for free. And so any money that comes into your account, like that $10 you saw or anything else, you can go ahead and spend that with your Cash App card. Now, here's the cool thing with the Cash App card. One, you can see mine is currently disabled because when I'm not using it, I cut it off. But you can also go through and add boost, which gives you nice special bonuses. So you can see discounts instantaneously that will go back into your account. So you can go ahead and utilize that for bills like water or electricity or anything else that allows you to utilize a debit card on file. And if some don't allow debit cards but allow bank accounts, you saw earlier where you can go ahead and plug in your account number and your routing number to have it pulled directly from your Cash App. So just like that, you can go ahead and utilize Cash App as your bank. If again you want to sign up, I'll have that link for you in the show notes down below. But I want you to keep on learning more when it comes to using Cash App and all the different functionalities, because there's a lot of them for you. Go ahead and check out my video right over here to learn all about that. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in that next video.